One of the learning outcomes for this tutorial was to show you how to use the share. So if I pass my mouse, you can see this share screen. So that's what I'm now going to show you. It's a very important thing, especially when you are running a conference that involves you having a presentation. So that's what I'm now going to do. As you can see on here, on this button here, it says share screen. I'm going to click on the button share screen. So I'm now going to click on share screen, and you can see the different screens that I could share with. So at the moment, I'm going to share with you this one here. So I'm going to click on that document and I'm going to press the button share screen. So you can now see on my phone, on my computer, I can see the screen that the host is sharing with me. This could be a presentation. You can now start doing your talking. That's really a very important feature of the Zoom conference, being able to share a screen, especially if you are doing a presentation. One other thing I'm going to show here when you're sharing, you can see here there are more things you could do. And I can click on annotate, and you can see I've got a pencil. I can annotate anything. I can even choose different colors. You can see I can really do so many other things, but what I want you to do is you can experiment. For example, if I've got text here, I can be able to type text. So you can see I'm able to do so many other things, and I can pick the mouse. You can see here I can click on that. This is really selecting tool. I can be able to move that somewhere here. It's really a very powerful feature which I want you to experiment. I can be able to save what I've just done, just in case some people wanted to see this after the conference. I can be able to save this. So here I'm going to clear all drawings, clear my drawings or clear viewers' drawings. I can get the guest C to do something, but at the moment it's something I want you to experiment. You can invite in the guest C and they can also interact. That is something I want you to experiment when you're sharing. You can have a friend and you can have a student and you can experiment with this. But for now, I've just shown you that. So I'm now going to go to stop sharing, and I'm going to pass my mouse here and I'm going to go to stop sharing. What I've just done is I've shown you how to share. How did I do it? I came here and I clicked on the button share. You could see here there's and I've been using the best sharing. If you've got two monitors, you can pick the second screen, and if I pick that, that's what you will see. But for now, I'm going to go to advanced here. You can be able to decide a portion of your screen. You can be able to computer sound only. You can be able to pick from another camera, just in case you've got maybe like a projector, or it's a powerful feature that I want you to experiment. So here, files is another opportunity. You can pick files from OneDrive, from your Google Drive, and send them to your students. So for now, that is how you share. One other thing I shouldn't really forget here is the whiteboard. So if I click and I say I want to share with you the whiteboard, I'm going to click on share. Now this gives me an opportunity to really do the things I could do on a board. So you can now see I'm now going to start drawing. I can say text. So I can do anything. I can draw. But if you find it difficult to draw, what I could do is I could use text. So I'm now going to click text. So you can see I can be able to type. So that's one other feature, and I can be able to select and then move a bit about. I can be able to draw things here. If I can be able to go and pick a circle, I can be able to draw. That's how powerful the whiteboard could be. So whiteboard is a feature you can experiment with. I can say clear all my drawings and they're gone. So if you want to use text, that's there for you. You just want to do free drawing, and that's what you could do. At the moment, this is really what I want you to experiment with. I'm now going to end my share, and here we are back. So that's literally a very powerful tool, sharing. So remember what we were meant to cover. We were meant to cover the following things: we were meant to cover, inviting the guests and the participants in. I've shown you how to enable your cameras. I've shown you how to chat. I've shown you how to share a screen, and I've shown you how to use the whiteboard. So what I really need to emphasize here, it's something you need to practice. The more practice you do, the more you get familiar with using the Zoom as your conference tool.